Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, one of my subscribers sent me the video here and said I must cover it. You know, the channel here is a different type of content, but I gotta just cover it because you don't know it's a Jamaica thing and we are one Jamaica. The local youth I go by the name of Delano. Right guys? And him give a story about him condition where I live. Me I tell the people, that's why I say no matter how life rough, people out there have it rougher than how you think. Because this is the condition that this guy live in with his sister, his mother and his father. I don't want to talk too much about the story. I'm going to make him watch the video, make him explain everything, details and everything. And trust me, one thing with Jamaicans, we ever come together for a cause. Because in the video, I think the guy says Scotia Bank come on board, Food for the Poor, one other organization, donna. Yeah, donna come on the project too, because the guy call out the name them of the people who I reach out, the Carter family. And I hear about the video, but when I see it, I not cry, but I was very emotional. If you know, say, yeah, we fellow Jamaican, I live the condition and the youth, you can see I'm well educated and I'm bright. Guys, I'm not talk no more. I'm going to watch the video. I don't want the copyright for this video, okay? So I just take it from Facebook and put it together so you guys can watch it for yourself and leave a comment. Yeah, I love this. This is a really good video. I love this, guys. Yeah, watch the video, leave a comment. You will see part 1 and part 2. All right, peace.
I'm Tucker and I am a student of the Geisel High School. I live in a district called Springfield, which is between Geisel and Highgate, in a lane called Mud Lane, in a 2-bedroom house. One of the room is full of accoutrement, the other has 2 beds, one for me and my sister and the other for my mother and my father. It is a board house and a concrete structure with zinc roof. My father put a tarpaulin under the zinc to take off the night dew, and if rain happen to fall, it takes off the water off us on the bed. Because it's a board structure, when the rain falls very hard, the rain blows in through the board and west up the floor. Because it's a concrete floor, my mother put cardboard and oil cloth on it so that you don't catch up cold in our foot. Because it's an outdoor bathroom, we have to use a pail during the night and empty it in the morning. So anytime we have to use the bathroom, we have to go outside. So if rain fall, we have to wet up because down there a leak and thing. So anytime rain fall, we have to go down there because down there wet up and cold. In the morning, my father have to wake up by 5 o'clock for catch a fire because of wood fire. And sometimes it would cold, if it would cold, then now I will catch. So sometimes one good while in there, I fan it for you catch, so you can make tea. If final catch, you have to go to school without tea, and sometimes we just have nothing to look for tea. So second that, go to school without breakfast. I'm reach school now and lunchtime come, because I'm up on the part program, we get one lunch. But second COVID, the part program is on pause, and my mother don't have it to give me lunch money. So I just go in one little corner and drink my water and go on my next class.
Delano is very persistent. Everything he tries to do, he do it to the best of his ability.
So how is it like growing this young man?
It was not very hard because he learned very quickly, and when you tell him to do things, he just do it. Like he understand things from he was a little bit younger. It wasn't too hard.
So every day at school, hopes the rain will fall, because if rain fall, man now wait to cook. Because it's an outdoor kitchen and they make out of wood and bamboo and a dirt floor. So as soon as the rain start fall, all in there wet up, and because of dirt floor, you get mucky and slippery, and enough time mother almost drop in there. And she have a bad foot, so if she drop, you know, good fear. Sake of that, as soon as the place black up, mother run go cook. No matter how early be. If I have 12 o'clock, she run go cook. So because of that, sometimes I go to bed without dinner.
Shanika, come. And here. Come closer than more. We want to hear what he's saying. Hi Delano, you look a little bit nervous. You look a little, you nervous?
Kind of not much of a camera person.
Camera persons, I understand. But you be careful come a star, Delano. You must know say. Wait, Jamaica come here. So. Delano, you come turn a star. So,
like everybody else.
so
right
you
now
must
want
know
family
say.
here.
You must know say. All of this is going to happen in Delano. Because you're a star now, you know. You're a celebrity now, you know. Look how much people love you. You have the Flair family. You have so many people here. Right? So, basically, tell us what's happening down there now.
Not really sure, no, we'd have to ask our mother.
Oh, you haven't been down there as yet?
Kind of stay out of that part.
You're trying to stay out of that part?
Yeah, I'll let my mother do that.
The crowding and stuff like that?
Yes, because I don't really like the crowd either.
The crowd? Alright, yeah. Me understand. That's why I stay up here, because when I see the crowd, I turn back to me get afraid. Tell me something now, Delano. I know there are so many people that can come on board to deal with your house and stuff like that, right?
Yeah.
So we want to talk about schooling. Which college did you say you want to go to?
Case.
Case, and what do you want to pursue there?
I was thinking about becoming an agricultural inspector.
You want to become an agricultural inspector?
Yes.
When you okay. I think that's the part that we want to focus on.
Yeah.
The funding
future.
for your schooling. Right? Because I see
I talk to somebody, me talk on prof. When I did the lecturer them contact me yesterday, and me did
don't turn it.
did on the phone with the lecturer. The whole almost half a day, and she said basically she want help him get in fully not to pay for nothing at all.
She want to help him get a scholarship.
Yes, September. They want him in by September. The
Delano,
soonest.
star, Delano. What star?
And not only that, we have Scotiabank coming on board. Auntie Donna, I was talking to them earlier. We have Bada J, that's a YouTuber. We have Combo Boss. We have all different type
The
of
persons
people
that are coming on.
board.
So
And the Flair family, and the Carter family.
Okay, so what's the plan?
So what's the plan?
Yeah, what's the plan?
What I want, if you're not working in Jamaica, it's hard for you to open an NCB account. So that's the only thing that is holding back. What I'm doing right now, I have an account because I do YouTube, so I get funds through YouTube. So everything that they send, I write down the name them on paper and have the documents and I'm making sign the receipt when you get the stuff them. So I go and do that for now. And for who want contribute to your house and stuff, I provide them with the account number, information.
So
they can
Delano, is there an account for Delano
not
schooling?
as they are film schooling.
Or overall? The family have an account?
No.
Nobody has a bank account?
Then it's a
Yes,
school
that's
shop.
why me help him just move forward the funds them to him. Then say me not to give most of the funds to him physically. Then say me to get the stuff them when needed. Then say me to make ensure so me carry him and his family and give them one treat for a whole day. Carry them somewhere nice.
Okay. Alright, so this is Alex, guys. Alright, so Delano.
Hold on, we got one make you know what Alex put on the video.
No, we know.
Yeah,
We know.
yeah,
We talked to him already.
Alright.
Delano.
Yeah.
Boy, me feel nervous here. I'm surrounded by watch eyes. Don't stop look for me now. Watch it. No, I'm nervous. No, I'm nervous. I cannot imagine how Delano feel.
Miss, but I don't do this regular, miss.
Hmm?
Miss, I don't do this regular,
Yeah,
miss.
but
Is
you
that my first time, miss? I feel nervous.
Delano, but you is this your sister?
Yes, miss.
Hi, Danisha, right?
Yeah.
Hi, Danisha. How are you doing? You nervous too? So come come say hello, Danisha.
Come talk for me.
Come stand up here next to your brother, because your brother feeling nervous. This is Danisha, guys. This is Delano's little sister, pretty Danisha. How you feeling? How you feeling with all the help coming on board? You're nervous? You're happy? You're happy? You feel good? You're looking forward to... What grade you in again? Grade 8? Okay, you're in grade 8. You're looking forward to all of the help and everything that's coming on board now, right? You look so nervous and you just tell me so you're not shy, Danisha. Eh? Delano, I thought she said she wasn't shy.
Miss me because she did over there, so I look funny for a different angle.
I'm good. I know she in the limelight. Is that why Denisha?
With all going on,
Yeah.
a picture.
Is it because you're in front of the camera now? Why you nervous? Delano does a smell so. I've read Starboard, Delano. I need to talk to your mommy. But guys, you've met Delano.
Delano, come here. I need you on my channel too. You know. Come.
This is sister.
Oh.
Alright guys, so
Delano, we have one phone for you.
this is basically what's happening. It's confusion because so many people are here. Guys. Ooh. So many people are here. Right there.
I'm a YouTuber and my sister as well, and you know, it's a she'll spend some money to eat like groceries, but when we talk to your mother, she don't have a lot of groceries, so we're gonna purchase a fridge instead, right? So the night you couple them feet and bring a new tablet.
Guys, WhatsApp me, my number is there, and let's see what we'll be doing for this family. When I say there are so many, like, me love my country bad, me love Jamaica. When I see that there are so many people on board, so many, I don't even know if I'm gonna get a chance to speak to his mother. Because so many people are here. You can see Delano is happy, Denisha is happy. It's overwhelming. I see food for the poor here. Alex, I confused. I don't know where to look. Alright, no problem. Alright, let's see if we can get a chance to speak to his mom. Good evening again.
Good evening.
Oh, persons are still down there? They're all from the school? You said the school was handling all donations, right?
I said speak to the principal.
Okay, thank you. Good evening. Hi, Mrs. Tucker. We'll wait, guys. I'm gonna end the live and I'll get back to you when I have a chance to speak to his mom. When I get a chance to speak to his mom, guys, I'll come back live, because when I tell you that currently I'm not really sure what's happening, because I just want to find out who's heading the project and find out what's being done and find out the best way moving forward, right? Happy kids, him not stop smile. She down there, so.
Delano. Yeah, come across your phone.
Alright then, Sunko.
I know if it stuff them fit here, the 2 garbage bags.
So we have mommy flare here. Go on, good buddy. Yeah. Daddy flare over there. Serious. Yeah. Come on board.
I want to in Jamaica, no matter how people live, but when it comes to them things, we always can assist.
People come on board.
Thank God for the channel, put it out.
Yeah.
Yes.
Street Diva TV, yeah.
Yeah, and
Yeah, big up
nobody,
Street
I mean,
Yes.
where was the, you know, nobody, well, yeah, they might get 1 and 2 help, but I mean, them in need of a major help, so we're glad everybody can come
together.
And stuff, and
All right. Guys, I'm going to come back